Yo, welcome back to another video of Work in Progress, where the progress works as best as you do or as hard as you do. So today, guys, we're actually going to install a part of my car. It's called the cabin air filter. Otherwise, if you speak Spanish, filtro para cabana. Yeah, you know your boy speaks Spanish. Yo habla español. Yeah, but anyways, shout out to my girlfriend. But so anyways, we're gonna go ahead and get that installed. This is probably the most easiest part you can install. This is gonna be for a probably like a, I would say 2005 to 2010 Chevy Cobalt, because they have pretty much, it's the same thing. It's located in the same area already. So step one, open the glove compartment. This is where it's gonna be at. Get all your shit out of there. Take that shit, because 9 times out of 10, if you own one of these cars, you ain't got nothing but crap inside of it anyways. You know what I'm saying? Let's keep it on. Let's keep it real, all right? Whoa, that thing is dirty. I need to wipe that thing clean. But anyways, so once you got everything taken out of your glove compartment, what you want to do next is, see this little latch right here? If you can just focus, there it goes, yeah. So right here, boom, you want to bring that out. It's a lot better with 2 hands. You got one on the other side too. Want to unhook this and unhook this other one too, so that way it comes down, so it's detached. You just squeeze them things together and bring it down, right? All right, I don't know what this is, but it's there. But the cabin air filter is up in here. So you have 3 clips you want to disconnect. Clip 1, clip 2, clip 3. Oh, it's already unclipped. Boom. After that, you want to bring, there's like the part that that has the clips on it. Bring it down just like so, right? So you expose all the extra. Dang, I probably need to go and get this vacuumed. But so anyways, you go ahead and get this, and your filter is like literally right here, guys. It's right. Ooh, you can just tell all the crap that's in it already. See, what you want to do is take it out without making your car even dirtier than what it already is. So carefully, there we go. Come to daddy. Come to daddy. Yeah, who raised you? Let's go. Okay, so dang. Yeah, I definitely need another one of these. Woo. Yo, there's a bug in there. What in the hell? What kind of bug is that? It's like a freaking, I don't know, freaking beetle. It's a beetle. Got the Beatles in there. Hey, shout out to the Beatles. Hey, so yeah, dang, you can just tell this thing's been through some shit. I don't know if it's been, this part the first time it's been changed ever since you know what I'm saying, this car's been manufactured. So yeah, I'm gonna quickly dispose of this and then install the new one. Yes, so shout out to STP and my guys over there at AutoZone. This is the part number right here. If you ever want to change out, oh, my thumb's dirty. If you ever want to change out your cabin air filter and this is my 2006, but in your Chevy Cobalt, pretty much, that's gonna be the part number, STP. I paid about $20 for this filter. So yeah, it's got all types of stuff. That's where it goes and stuff like that. Filters out the air coming on the inside of your car. As you can see, effectively traps pollutants, pollen, dust, and exhaust flames.
Clearly it says exhaust fumes. I don't know what the hell out there. Just watch the damn video.
Before they reach the interior of your vehicle. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, it's one of those things, you know. It's one of those things. You got allergies. This right here, this is your ventilation system. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? You gotta stay clean, you know what I mean? If you have any problems with it, they do have installation instructions, you know, but this thing is as easy as wiping your ass. You probably have a harder time wiping your ass than changing this filter out, okay? To be quite honest with this. Yeah, pretty much installation is pretty much like reverse. What you want to do is just stuff it back up in there, like so. You see the space up in there that I have? Limited amount, but see if it's gonna focus. But yeah, I'm going to put that up in there real quick. I gotta bend this back down like so, and then slide that bad boy up in there. All right, okay, I see what's happening here. I see what's happening here. I'm gonna need 2 hands, so I'll be right back. Alrighty, so pretty much I got the thing up in there looking all sturdy, extra stabilized. Look at Dalfiona motherfucking whatever that is, made in China. But so that's up in there, and what I'm gonna do is close it tight, lock those 3 clips back in there. And that one doesn't clip. Well, actually, am I tripping? Am I tripping? All right, fuck it. Yeah, it's in there. It's in there. So, what I want to do is, wow, I want to clean. I really want to clean the inside of this thing here, but I end up doing that later. Get a vacuum, get all this stuff out of there. But that is actually it. That is how to install a cabin air filter by your boy AYE to the C AC. And like I said, it just removes allergens and pollutants from the air you breathe. So yeah, and thank you for watching the video on the installation of the air filter for the cabin. Now be sure to go and hit that subscribe button if you ain't already have, and go and hit that thumbs up if you don't mind, because I took my time to do this out of my own grind. See how that rhyme? Yeah, but anyways, you go and hit that like and subscribe, and comment if you have any questions. There'll be more installation videos coming up soon for people who own this car. You know what I mean? I know some people who don't own this car and stuff like that, so I'll try and make it a lot interesting. I'll try and make it as fun as I can for the people who don't own this car, or people who are actually looking to own this car. It's really not that expensive to have this type of car, and to be pushing about 400 horses out of it. So it's less than $10,000 for this car, and you can get 400 horses out of it with like spending about $2,500, $3,000 for 400 horses, and it's less than $10,000. So yeah, man, it's one of those things you just gotta think about before you buy. You know what I'm saying? A lot of people want the new shit. You know what I'm saying? But if you can't afford the new shit, sometimes you gotta afford what you can afford. You gotta get what you can afford. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, I mean. But yeah, I'm finna go wash clothes. I'll see you guys later. Thank you for watching.